contestants are about to clash in the heart of Monaco, where the difference between victory and defeat literally lurks around every corner. Now, the Boundless, the Vogues, the Ultra Rares, and finally, the Livewires. All right, let's see who wants it more. Let's go!
Of the match. Throwing a frag. Disrupting their tech. First team wiping the bag, and it's a highlight.
That one lands hard on the Ultra Rares. The Livewires got hold of a cash box. What a charge. The Livewires have started a cash out. The Boundless have secured the lead, but can they keep it? Match's first cash out.
Wow, Ben's ability to work together is out of this virtual world.
In the bank, the Livewire snagged a cash out. There's even more money on the line thanks to a new vault arriving. The Vogues are trying to leave their mark. They're unlocking Vault 3.
Reloading! I'm going to revive. Hold on!
Legend!
Capture Vault 3! Threat detected. Down there.
The Vogues swooped up a cash box.
Ben's vault out!
They're going for it. The Boundless have kicked off a cash out. The live wires have recovered and respawned. The live wires are crowding into Vault 4.
Cash box picked up. Let's
The
go to
live
cash out
wires
D.
swooped up a cash box.
Yep.
A contestant is destroying stuff left and right. Look at them go! The ultra rares are falling behind. They need to step it up quickly. The Vogues are back on the scene.
The live wires caused that team wipe. They'd better brace for the aftermath. Well, this is quite a surprise. Our game has transformed the arena into an arcade-like battleground, complete with descending aliens. Time to disappear.
Another misstep on the runway for the Vogues. Team wipe. The ultra rares. They must regain control fast. A fresh vault means fresh chaos. Who will cause it first?
They held the line and left a trail.
The Vogues are opening a vault. Get ready. Close, but no cigar. A contestant slipped in to prevent that cash out steal.
Time for our contestants to dig deep.
The Vogues got the cash box.
Special delivery.
Alive and electrified, the live wires just finished their cash out.
Okay, let's
Who wants it more? Our contestants have 30 seconds to show the world.
Move this is the moment for the teams to make their move and shine. A lot is on the line here as we're heading into overtime.
They're the ones to chase down in the next match.
And also moving to the next round, we have the Boundless. Nicely done.
The Boundless, the Mighty, the Kingfish, and finally, the Livewires. Let's find out just how much they want this. Move!
Access Vault 2.
Nighttime brings its own challenges. With reduced visibility, every move counts.
This polished arena won't know what hit it once the competitors get started. The Kingfish are breaching Vault 1.
There we go. The Boundless come out swinging with the opening elimination. Tone for what's ahead.
One of the Mighty is on fire after taking out several opponents all by themselves.
The first team wipe has landed. Let's see how that affects things in this round.
The Livewires are down, but they're not out.
Multi-kill! 3 down, mood unchanged!
The Livewires
cash
have
box
recharged
too.
and respawned.
Itching for some classic retribution, it looks like. Watch out, the Mighty.
The Mighty are opening the round. First cash out initiated. A would-be thief just met a brick wall. That cash out isn't going anywhere.
Bomb out.
Pressure applied! Pressure return!
Attack on A. Steal it.
Confirmed.
The Livewires are back on the scene.
This could start a real clash. If I were the Mighty, I'd watch out.
Gotta reload.
Sending a frag. Switching things up. Time to
3 bodies deep and they have it!
Teleport here.
Enemy back in the fight. Revive, please.
The Livewires just can't keep the current flowing. One more team wipe.
That's what I call an alternating current.
Ooh, nice one.
Cash out untouched! Everything else
The Mighty are playing for keeps. They've snagged the match's first cash out.
This kind of drive could take them all the way, Scotty.
Payday for the Boundless.
Oh,
Cash out
let's move out.
complete.
They weren't defending! They were demonstrating!
A contestant is finding their rhythm, stringing together one elimination after another. Time to disappear.
They didn't clear the
The live wires swooped up a cash box. The live wires are live. Cash out in progress.
Get ready for
Kill streak.
Enemy spotted! Down there! Frag grenade sent!
The teams better keep their heads in the game, June. We just reached the midway point.
The intensity is reaching a whole new level. Bandit bomb out!
On top, we now have the Boundless.
Bandit bomb out!
The Kingfisher facing a run of bad luck. They just got wiped out again.
Thanks a million!
Hold still locked.
The Kingfish have respawned.
Bandit
Let's
bomb
see how
out.
they bounce back.
We could see some retaliation coming. The live wires need to stay on high alert.
Back into the hole. That was a lesson.
This almost looks rehearsed. It's got bandit bomb. Live wires are showcasing exceptional teamwork here.
Ding, ding, ding. The Boundless secure a cash out.
If the Boundless keep sticking together like this, they'll be tough to stop.
The live wires have connected with the vault, and they're opening it. Looks like a team wipeout for the Mighty.
4 down. Room feels quieter.
The Boundless are strong-arming the vault.
cash box thing. Go!
Okie dokie.
The live wires got the cash box.
Attack on cash out A.
The Mighty have respawned. Let's see how they bounce back.
The arena is becoming a physicist's dream as the familiar rules of gravity are being tossed aside.
Preparing explosive.
Over time, let's see which team can handle the pressure best.
There's no doubt that the live wires have plugged in. They've started a cash out. Just when we thought it was safe, a cash box gets nabbed in a stunning reversal by the Mighty. Our contestants are probably contemplating a soccer field career, at least in The Kingfish are facing a run of bad luck. They just got wiped out again.
They just couldn't swim away from that one.
Enemies came in waves. They left in silence.
A dynamo from the mighty just erased an entire team from the match. That's the statement.
Triple confirmed. Souls optional.
A late steal. We're low on time, but that hasn't stopped the mighty. Incredible.
They're signaling something, Scotty. They're saying game on.
Seconds left. Well, folks, the Live Wires are the team to beat as we charge into the final round.
And our runner-up, the Mighty, will be joining them in our two-team clash after locking in that second spot.
It's the big show. It's what we've all been waiting for. It's the final round. Here we go. The Mighty up against the Live Wires. Final round. Who's got the guts to grab the glory?
Okay, here we go, Scotty. Two exceptional teams are ready to battle it out for the top spot. The team that reaches 50,000 will be crowned the winner.
No one knows the rules quite like our June. The Live Wires are unsealed for one.
This game is live.
I've got a cash box. Reloading. Go for cash out, Pete.
Strategic steal.
Scotty, that's how you play this game. Ice cold.
Time to blitz. Blitz grenade out. Positive here.
recipe and the skill to back it up. Looks like we've just witnessed our first team wipe, people.
That was a hard blow for the Livewires. The Mighty are forcing open Vault 2.
Run to cash out B.
Bomb out.
Danger at cash out B.
Glitching things up. Time to glitch.
Danger at cash out B.
Time to disappear.
No attachments left. Three denied. Vault still locked.
Going over there. Go for a steal on B.
Bomb out. Glitch grenade out.
Steal attempt gone bust. That contestant wasn't letting their cash slip away.
That wasn't a hole. That was a lesson.
The Livewires have respawned.
I bet they feel unstoppable. If I were the Mighty, I'd watch my back.
They're not guarding. They're collapsing.
Frag grenade out.
The Mighty completes a cash out. Well played.
The Mighty are working together as one and ready for anything.
A vault just spawned. Who's aiming for the cash?
Frag out. Glitching some screens. Glitch grenade out.
The Livewires are pushing into Vault 3.
Danger at cash out D.
Frag out.
They don't save lives. They reboot squads.
A new cash out ticking. The live wires are throwing everything into the final push.
Breach charge planted. Charge planted!
Special delivery. Flipping some screens.
They weren't defending. They were demonstrating.
Panic bomb out.
Halftime is here, and the competition has been nothing short of thrilling.
That's where it gets decided.
Throwing a frag.
An electrifying performance from the live wires. What a win!